Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your total gas if it is genuine. Just bought mine, it is sealed, and what you see here is you have to open your phone and dial this USSD code. Before dialing that USSD code, you have to come and scratch this position here gently so that we get the code. I'm actually shooting this video outside. This is the code that we get. Then I'm going to guess this is 192. Let me get my phone. 288 *4 *44, then I dial. Then this is the part where I have to put the code. Let me type it inside here. I'm now done inserting the code. I'm going to press send. Yes, this is the feedback they have given me. This product is genuine. You can now stand a chance to win airtime. Thanks for choosing Toto. Wow. This tutorial was just a quick tutorial on how to check if your total gas cylinder is genuine, and on mine I still have a seal on it, and I'm in Uganda. This was just a quick tutorial on how it works. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thumbs up, comment, like. Goodbye.